TV Ubwansu Bwumugusi.
Mwantumurilia Undizi TV ngukwali nibene ase enchunda yende ime yomoroberio bwensa kia astora chikomulekera amange anemono igore chinchira turabe chokukinia abana baitu na boigo chinchira abana babwendera chakwerenda chinga kiechi bare ase erusa nigo chikuru chabwendera chakuigorwa wiki ya etakolende asengencho yembura ne toigo egendrete ime chinsemo au amatuko akaba gakomentwa na kikiriranga tobetoko aligania omogeni asengencho yogosanga na baibuli na boigo gosanga na bana na borokia bari ase omutimoko igore chinchira barabe bakobalenda ayebuno moiboli nabo eranyale kanenga turamanya ayagendrete asa abana baito oranyolenga nigo bachete ase erusa bakorakananga abare nebyeni ebiya bagogete omwibule batabanga eskuru ya inomba kali kubalenda buya mbai kali kubarageli buya kolende turamanyanga chimbwa cy'umwana oyo ngakikire nakitobe tokoleta omworokia anemono oyole n'abana abachinga kicyonsi ekero batali naye omwibuli erinde abega okumanyanga naraliaya abereka gonchulia naye obego kumanya chinchira obwendete kolenda abana ba tali onde kolende Mr. Danvas Osogo oyole omworokia ase Kisii National Polytechnic na boigo nigo ali egati yababwatani ase kyombe keria ya Kenya Student Christian Fellowship wakiribya na kwani bene asumurubere bwensakia emambia yabono na birengo kwanira amalieta okole nabo ase faida yomurigeria Undizi TV nabo kwemanya asoboime
asante samalieta nenkoro ku Danvas Osogo omumenyi bomucyo yobosongo omworokiande ase college ya Kisii National Polytechnic boigo narabeiro omworokia ase high school o ase miaka goetani 10 igo nabeire n'abana abakoru ntebe kuru mwaka wa 2005 goikera boniga nabo igo ningendreta se kyombe ya Kenya Students Christian Fellowship asdo kubarandiria chi school ne chi college botambe asante.
Alright, karibu sana ime yomoroberio bwensa kia emambia ya bono kule toko ya etiko chuchaka amangana bose kumulekera engane ase obo ime gochakera sukura ligalia engana na entertainment city ya Kenya entoro chenga niga mafuriko agendrete chinsemo abanta abange baberwa gusiria amagimabo na boigo engana ya bete gekwirira chiskuru koba chikobungwa inkyorabe gukwanira engane ye cyo gendrete ime yense icho Kenya litangani
tigamwakero monguru ngambia mono singencho gusio tolendire etereini ya gusi ntoratwara flats kirabe ngakiriro gukima igonya sai na tuanjete na ntogendere gusabira abandi bali bari askinse kinde bali basombiru na maki abandi barusirie enibe nyinge nganya saba bugatisi ntomanyete nganya sai na tuanjete as a country and nechinga kichinge omochando yoere erigero bugima bogendere botambe inara masabaito.
Alright erebya kegima kolende etoige yabere kwirira chiskuru amatuko komentwa ya amatuko abana barabe bakoba ase omutimoko onka enkirabe konerengane
ekere matuka mentru yeskuru it means ngabana abanyorira a lot of free time ekibata bangerete emba manyete nga chinga kichinchi yarengororo na abasomi bagotenga kere birengere libitali occupied there is no vacuum bakorigie njera bakubi occupy igo gosaba kwana nkoringa ki torigie njera tora occupy abana baiga mbaba aido erigere banyare onyore bansire okore ebinto bitagwenereti bansire ko watch ebinto bitari boronge bansire okora kingenjo kitagwenereti buna kunywa mariogo drugs and substance abuse okoro obo saria sekenyoro ebinto ebi byonsi igo omoibori notakero ikaransa no mwano omobango manyengana kyo kumobeka asengenje kero mwano yatabangiri pakanyore njera okora maitio senonge chingaki ngerese nga mosominaro yo mobwibirengere okorokunga John Locke omenyete during the 17th century gare atete nga omwane kera kuiborwa igare birengere bikorokunga tabiro rasa ya se birengere bia kene ngeyopi ekera achire into the society the society go se environment ya ansa korike birengere bia ya ansa como achitabia ya ansa como attitudes ya ansa como anga luga kiao kwana kogenderera igo omwana oyo ekera goja nabo toko mokora ncherende onstora amwe komokora kulingana nga ingitoko mosomia ingitoko morokereria no gosomio kokore consciously and unconsciously ebinto mbira abana bakurigere muna tokora bakora bo nebinto binde mbire toko batebinga koraiga na biro bakora psychologists baotenga ase egento mwana koba it is 70% of what we observe neye de atigara 30% ibitoko batebinga koraiga igo ngo saba baibolinga keritoko ganitora saba na baito tigato babatanga niko gekora na lionga na barabuo barigererie bitokora bakore boigo
ere byake gima asekondo mwanchu Ndezi TV na bakona otubwa tutera somtandaito o Facebook Ndezi TV News Digital Asense Media ya YouTube Ndezi TV News wetera somtandaito www.ndezitv.net sotonyora chinsa emerongebere nainye amatuko atano nabere ye wiki boiga se namba icho ya SMS 0792192834 boigo Asense Media WhatsApp ndora utesiko asora bogosangana into karangalika wetera ase namba ya 0792192834 trangona Marabe Rogoso imeyomoroberi wensake mambi ya bonondo cheros micheno. Good morning from Nairobi Pipeline omongina Edel Monte na my hubby Naftal o Nyango Naomi watching live from Randani machoge borabuno inde meyomoroberi wensake na Jumaine Osimba Embusoro engi ya Gladys Inyanya Osembe Kennedy Gladys Mora Jared Oyunge 1% Thomas Bundi Steve Nyatigo Josephine Sarange Evelyn Ombaye ujumbe Mwatu Inyoratela Moguso Onduso na Naomi Oyebo igondo chenga Julius Omosomba pamoja kurua Amakara Settlement Scheme Nyamira Klaus Nyakez watching live ukiniita Justin Tainika otenga Justin Osebe kurua Murako pamoja sana Nyakwe well represented Bismarck Mokua protector Bismarck kurua Kisige Tembe Nubia niko na my beloved wife Sharon na my son Eugene watching live Eric Osoro watching live from Keumburi Taro Omaturi Vincent Mbuyamono Ndoche Delma Ateka watching from Kisii Town Teresa Kemunto Wakire Buya Joban Frida Josh Ondimukuruge Tare Gausa Ocharo William watching live from Sensi Kisii MC Sairo pamoja from St. Joseph's Amasago Parish na Boigondo Chinga Robert Onyanja Kurua Bunyatacha Nyamiobo Catholic na mawife Lilian Kemunto Mam Mondesta Vitengo Peter Omweri Abana Mercy Hezun the Caleb President Ndoche Josephat Omega password from Thika Massive Victor Mondo Miyenda tuned in Ndoche Victor Ndoche Dolphin the good morning from Sinse Chirichia Machengumbu Akondani till the end of diaspora Yuri Moja Tebanga good morning Wakire no Arome Yomoroberio Wensakia Ndoche Litunda Green Boy kono ali Yomoroberio Wensakia Jared Ore Maturity watching live from Nyachichi Secondary Yuri Moja watching live and Ndoche Lydia Mose watching from Enkinda Yuri Moja from good morning from KSA ndochi Enoch Mochere watching live from Isebania border buya kegimanya sa nganche na benkora litkolinde ngoganedia staff toka na barwemere mukuru customs Kisin customs Kenya na customs Tanzania pia sisau mama uminto bacheba komboka na byombe abunika tya barabara gosomye morobere bwensa kya emambia yabono asonda tukusanga no morokia Mr. Danvas Osogo yoenda tutumanyia aigoro chinche tubenda tukolinda abana baitu ekero kuriria umwalimu engaki tomenyete abono iga nengaki elia yakale kero yo muna bwate kale yaye kulende no turate kuyiriria in terms of centuries century yeye neye meronge bere nemo 21st century ndo bwate century ya 20th century totebe kale ningo turanyole ngamate kale nige bwate infinity no mwana beteka kwiburu mwako ulie na tebanga umwako etankale yaye ase tutorariria ngoso essentially engeni nabo essentially enkoro mauncheli kya yabereka koba asensemo yense tomenyete nande aywa ko nekinga abereka gunchulia enjira obuibuli bwenda takorwa yani nkira bekuriria enjira abaibuli bali babete bakubakinya ne chinga kicyabonega amauncheli kya yabereka koba in terms of parenting.
Nambe ya mo parenting has changed. Asingencho chinga kichiakare omuiboli gali koba no mwana. Onye no mwana omumura baba na ise baenda kuriskyo mbenere baba nere litukoligima omwana omunyaroka oba na nyina oba nabangina bande litukoligima onye na segasi pakali tukoliera. Lakini boniga because of schooling, because of work omongina akoimo kogende chiro omwana oimo kogende school omoga akoimo koenda koligia so that contact okoba koliamo ngokoletiki koyo Igo we are experiencing a moment where we have a very short interaction with the children that we are parenting because inga kinchirigo tuanjera tobe na barabu and I said ekere omuiburi atayo because mna nakwa nango mwana kera kuiburwa bongo bole blank ekere omuiburi atayo kurika so bongo bwo mwana oyo go sase birengerere byo mwana oyo nature abhors vacuum that was discovered by Aristotle agatebanga ibagandi yorira beritali occupied na kende gionsi nga no eni gas toronyore kende nkiyo no ene mbeo yego occupy so because of that omwana oyo pakali kienchera obongo bwae bokorikwa kwanyoranga bono aba instead yo moibo kolike birengere bia ya so mwana oyo nabwate friends bae bakomoetabia nabwate gosena balimu nabwate kiseleb kikomo aho tenga intagete ko bamnanyarebe intagete ko ba kingo kina kerengo bo monto monene intagete ko ba like so and so kwanyoranga media neroro ekolike se birengere bia ekero moibo ya kale chiro sakale gasi chinga kimne kiamogoro ba yokonyo no ine music ekobeko ase in our TV stations yo kanko agachera abana yaba ebirangeri kwanyoranye onye gakorigereria abantu bagotenga bali bosa nero ranga kumbe nabo abantu bagotenga baliga onye gakorigereria abantu bagokora obunyaka nero chaka korenge ngando che gokora igabono teribobe esengenjo they are taking advantage of the vacuum that has been created inga moibori tayo abateving a sex before marriage is wrong erorigereria TV gosorigere social media onyorire nga ebinte bimbiro rongo korubire without consulting the parent okay ndo chaka kobikora so number one the parent is not there the time of a parent with a child is limited negento kende is about exposure what our children are exposed to right now tali keria tu abantu abakoro barenge exposed to ekere no ene kere tu akinete munanje social media jarengo tu Facebook tu WhatsApp tu TikTok onye ne TV yare ko yarenge KBC yoka ekoiguru saa 11 na ndi ashie kusaine kinse ekyo no more no moibori moko watch na bako amwanga nkyo ko watch nkyo tali ko watch lakini there is some exposure ya kirenga omwana kabwate simi muneye na bako watch kende gyonsi atagete without the control of the parent so that exposure has brought yare tirembua no eno moibori akorigereria so mwana okuminge mbweye intanye bwate nga yaruete it's because the society as written on the mind of this child. Kwanyoro mwana obeiro mungaopi kobwa omoibori olio moreiseti aseng'encho ng'aki the media has written in their heads. In kwa example kemo ekera tu akinete no ena job ngobori bonigana ki ekere yesa iboretwe abantu bari bakiete abantu abangaini bakiete komorora komukwani ukwani umwana Yesu barwete moja mbarenga barenge mbatatu ekiona kikwaroche eseng'encho ekera gwakinete tware koenda Sunday school kwa watch chimubi twakawatch during Christmas etware ko abantu batatu bagocha nebiego bamwa Yesu. Do you know that is wrong? Ekiera Biblia togosoma teri convention ng'abantu batatu barenge Biblia batenga bagacha nebiegwa aragatatu aragatatu no bira abagori kuna abantu babere abira abagori kuna abantu 10 but because what you are watching shaped your mind up to now you have grown as an adult omanyete you can even go preaching okoranderia abantu abantu bali mbarenga barenge
batatu
but that's heresy, that's wrong. But what tadi magosao it's what you watched. Iko mwana oyo aisa ko watch TV oligereria abantu bako gosena marua konywa amanyete nga konywa marua tali bobe konywa sigareye tali bobe aseng'encho naro chinyarebe ga ku watch ole celebrity ane ntagete ko bamunere onye ga konywa nyasore omanya gotera buna gotera buyega nange nabo konywa inyare gotera buna gotera. So exposure has also changed the dynamics of what we are about parenting.
All right umwanchumuri Ndizi TV ni gotorach kogenda as umutimuko oromoke kolende ndochikuirana na koendra gusanga no mworo kia Danvas Osogo ase emambia yabono ase to basa usuka nabo kwenda gutuma maboli yao nabo igosanga n'intwe kerengereri kiao ase emambia yabono kuna tori ase kagetari ege tambe.
Ndizi TV Obwansu bw'omugusi.
Omubogani ofanisi resort Nyangongo numubogani uratimuke wegokie na gusanga muni amatao wikabasani ime y'umubogani uyo nigoba bwate obukoli ubuya asaba kuri imirimo babwata mazikanigoro n'amahariganyo y'obuzera cindagira bakoroishya nigo kire cintununtu muno asebo igoba bwate kirumucingiya ase oralire cindagire kiga mbabwate kinyumba cyo korara ecyo kire cinkare kibwate bitande biya byarire buya nende cincanuke mbabwate swimming pool azora ako pari buya kogendrete gusanga mu nabalya bwanjete ime y'umubogani uyo niko babwate wifi TV ngiya asokwe gokya na kwene kibuna tuli gweterwa na kindi gyonsi ekyo kiraso mtandao onye kubwate omuyigonde bwensi omusangerekano wasura bwenyangi mbabwata sura akorera umuyigoyo asobo twerera ubwigoromono mbabwate bwigetiyekiya asabana bakogosoreri na onye gwanjete massage aiganao tutarire rero eryubwero leranya onsi ayewiko munyene twakere simi usego talira chinsemo chito chemitandao Ufanisi Resort, a good place to be. Gochaso mwanchu mudigiriri bwe TV ya Ndizi TV mbiyemono asoko tochora kubekita sini kia uwanjete tuma ujumbe ngayeli takuza gochase namba 15601 uwatia marago na gachora Ndizi TV koba egita sini kia ugie TV kio mwaka asama miranyo akuza awards 2024 SMS yeye teriko na chakende wigo na bugu wake kura yao wetera sinchira yumtandao o www.kuzaawards.co.ke. Wamanyirenga obugima bwa makia bwatakira umwana ubwatu bumanyi ili kwegenderea sama tukali busio. Bono lyatirimba Technical and Vocational College chinsemo chiri chage susu niye kubatuka masomo gucha sabana ili kwenyolera ubumanyi ao ine umwana uguni gakora kirasi ya gatanu na gatatu ugoseta chetu gukora sukuru nakurete kirasi kiri 12 gose niga bwatu bumanyi gite atagete konyora ubumanyi bonde. Bono lyatirimba Technical Vocational College nigo yakwira mabaga aseje course abuna bono mechanical engineering aseba kubunduza welding and fabrication, welding, turning and machinery egatiche course chinde insinse ya mechanical engineering. Mwigo mbabwate course na building and construction aseba kwigiri masonry, plumbing egatiche chinde chinyinge. Mbabwate school of hospitality aso kwigira fashion and design, hairdressing, beauty therapy, garment making egatiche chinde chinyinge. Mbabwate kwiga masomo a school of business asomano ga wanchiro gosoma supply chain management, sales and marketing, business administration egatiche chikosi chinde chinyinge. Ene sukuru watachingekero chingiya eyo woigo ewanchira abana gosoma ase abomo eri kwenyolera ubumanyi obura abakonya samatuku alibosio.
Naitwa John Anyona, funza mechanical engineering. Tuko na workshop kubwa, iko na machines za kisasa, tuko na computer numerical control machines, CNC machines, tuko na milling machines na computer numerical control lathe machines, na tuko na manual machines zenye ziko kwa upande ya chini kidogo. Kwa hii mechanical engineering tunafunza option ya production peke yake.
Jina ni Jeremiah King Nyabuto, ni mwanafunzi katika fundi wa maji hasa plumbing. Nilipojiunga na hii shule nimekuwa nikijifunza mambo mengi kushughulikia mambo ya maji ya mabomba na maji ya mifereji. Kwa hivyo kuna vifaa nyingi hapa katika nyanja hiyo na walimu ambao wamehitimu sana.
Joseph Odira Kawala, mimi ndio mwalimu mkuu katika hiki chuo cha Nwai cha Riatirimba TVC. Ni chuo ambacho kinapewa jina ambacho tutaita kwa Kiingereza Center of Excellence kwa mambo ya mechanical engineering. Kazi yetu hasa ni kupeana mafunzo ama skills ambayo tunataka wale wanafunzwa hapa wanaweza kufanya kazi na wajilipe.
School fees yabo nigego kwana monumo buko asamange batalira stinsa mu kiri cyage susu bose bakire esimi.
Enyagitari ya Walfit Health Center iye gutoka imijumu cyokisi nigikorwa bukorere bwa conventional medicine, nutritional medicine na herbal medicine.
We are professionals, tunabanyagitari tusomete enchire ya kawaida yo kurwalya marwaire tukuruka nka conventional medicine, nutritional medicine and herbal in Malaysia. So ekero montago chisinya gitari yeito ntutoko make sure nga tuapimiro murwire bya twakorere diagnosis.
Boigo mbabwato bokorera bonde buna general consultation okorengwa ase laboratory, nutrition services, nutritional assessment, weight management, sports nutrition, natural and organic eating, plant-based nutrition, no bondo bonge.
So na kitoko kero montachi obisi to make sure nga twamwa device nutritionally ngakia kwerena ngakia guitanga kuruko soko nyora morwe ito gutumia amarioga kawaida aito gutera tukuruka conventional medicine twatumia mariogo akurwa sendagira munabono vitamins ama fatty acids na ndi twamonya gutumia amarioga akurukunga herbal medicine no tole enyomba ya Uhuru Plaza Gabo Songo goroba ya gatatu erumu 307A and then tubwate branch mu Eldoret enyumba ya Kogo Plaza first floor room 2 and then tubwate branch ndumuchi Okaratina opposite Absa Bank.
Walfit Health Center. We are different, best because we have knowledge on how to treat using both ways. Ndizi TV. Obwansu bw'omugusi.
Mwancho murelia Ondizi TV ngokwali ni bene ase entunda yende imeyomoroberio wensa kia ase tuende kusanga nere omoro kia Mr. Danvas Osogo oyore koru ase kiombe kelia ya Kenya Student Christian Fellowship orosagia rolia rua kisi tuende kusanga nere mange anemono yure chinja tubendete kolenda abana baitu nabo kubakini buna ebwendete omoro kia tochi asengana yende mangana kia ya abereka gonchoreria bosichimbwa kie chichire kitali chingia chabere chigo cha asabana baitu ichumwibuli abwendete kumanya
chimbwa tiabere chinyinge kulingana na what the society has given the children. The most common ones, number one, is the drugs and substance abuse. Omwana nabako bagutumia mariogaya muibuli atamanyeti. Abwate karakter ngao pia kerareka, kerare school gosare town, nebinte ngao kora. Negento kende is addiction to social media. Bantu ande mbalio kalanga, it's a serious issue, but it's a serious issue. Okonyoro mwana gose noekare gose no mwana orenge nyomba korosi endagera abwatare simi pakendagere liasareka. Because they are addicted to social media. Are simi are TikTok obo tuko bogima. Paka bono mambi ocha kurara kusensa nane ya butuko. Mambi kago ikyo skuru ekerare kerasi nechitoro chioka. No energy boarding school wala tanga mbali kwa la usimi abana ngo sniki bale bagana nechi simi orono mbabwate chi simi mwana bwe korogorangeti obwate simi yayo so social media ochaka go chat na abantu bande ochaka kurigereria ibintu bitabwene data addiction. It even hinders the development of the brain. Kwanyoranga no performance yae yansire koirananse. Again, to kende kiachire is about gambling. Gambling is about enchira abana ba very brought up nga you can get quick money. Nyarebe na win 1 million na njenta gete ko win 1 million, nyarebe ka win 50,000. Ono mwana aigwa na nginanga chirifwe chikomi gendo akane school fees. Lakini ikorengere ringa mbura na bongo tumie ribwe yemo kusikirwe chikomi nchibeke bet. Kinko wini ndusi komenchi akane school fees. Chia ichionzi. Mwana yotago chako kotebinga ogo chako ikagusa at the end of the year kwanyoranga chibese chiga mwana ta akane the school fees to maitia sichia chiete. So gambling is another issue. Again tokende that has come up is immorality. Children are in our current society they can have casual sex. Teribo bego tuara casual sex. Okonyoranga no ena stogo chikorani umana ukobolinga is it wrong to have a boyfriend? Ekera ukoboli or a girlfriend. Ekera ukoboli go what is in their mind is about sex. It's not afraid about share education materials or academic materials. It's about they are thinking about sex. So such issues are affecting our children and they are adversely affecting their character. They are influencing their health because ekero mwana so into drugs and substance abuse. Amaroira chakire waswa. Ekero mwana so into things like gambling. It has affected their academic performance and also by extension their career in future.
All right. Igo na mangi agendrete igoncholia ase ensemo elia ya vana eyo muiboli kwa bero kumanyugwanga no bwenderete obe maiso chinga kiechi abana bale ase inka tobeto koranga amonchulio aberega koba chimbo chisari chinga cha bere chigoso ase abana baito asikolende imiyomorobero bwensa kendo kanete kumanyanga njera kiechi no nyanga ebintu bya bere bigonchulia njera kiechi turabe toko ba tokolenda abana baito nalingi ntekwera ndibawli aliko chasole njera kieye omwibuli oli nkagali arabega kwene kinga omwanoye asengencho engaki omutimo kobete ka comment ni metenga nonyolenga nili bakanya seko bamenta chinga kibaba wika bana babange na kubalinda njera kieye baraba kulinda abana babo ilindenga nonyanga makongwe kagendrete abana baye bakogenda ko babana baye.
Asante. The first thing, let's go back to the basics of parenting. You need to intentionally create time and train your child. Because as we have looked at it, onye to komasomi. somebody else will teach them. Nekero muntu yo ndako basomia tariko basomi kerio tageta basomi ako basomi kende gionse. Let me be open imbatenga nonye into abalimu abane mbale tutabwa tichimbu chingia. Bono ya to eti umwane mbwengi yakoruka. No yencho mwari na wango ikamo embu yane. Elimanye tengeye ni moembe ye ni maetenembe but inko mwa because tali mwanone have nothing to lose. To me, I want to refer from the Bible. Biblia gotebanga Musa in Hebrews 11:24. When Moses became of age, he refused to be called the son of the daughter of Pharaoh. Ingote eti Musa ngaetoli mwana umukungu oyo. Ekere Musa ntoma ete story ya Musa ekere Musa kunya gukina ini nore komogongia. I believe it's very possible ngomo yekera kunya kogongi Musa ngonya komomonyera renge ngae tata nonya ba ukoroka ngae no moibu moise ko Farao aetoli moise ko mwana bu moise ko Farao aeno mwana one aeno moibirania aetoli mo Misiri bono amangana yo akamosoa Musa ekeraro mwana moke. I'm talking about childhood instruction. Ekero mwana aro moke gento kerio komotebia na keba right na keba wrong na kiakubuata ekera kebuatire Biblia gotebanga na jaki nabo monto monene tako getiga na kieko gerange kere Musa ki nabo monto monene atine jako make his own decisions agaikakarenge nganonya banta bakonya bante nganje no ibwe nyombei mama nante but there is something my mother planted in me and it's stuck in me nganje tindi mwana wenyombei ekagera Musa taunchura nona mari arenga senkeria akamanyanga nonya mari kara nonya bantu baito barabataka. That's where I belong. When you tell the child the right thing when they are young, even when they grow up, no amount of money will dissuade them. Social media take over unchorana because you have already planted something in them, and what you plant in them when they are young. Psychology, between 0 and 7 years, that's the character of the period of character development. When character has been formed at that stage, nothing will change it. In example kemoiga omuntu ndakarosinyo akagatie nyumba akarangeria abantu be kanisa no pastor bachigo dedicate nyumba eria abantu bakagenda bonsi be kanisa paka abana abana kibakonya gochiesa bakaria rising agisieri ali ase varanda ese nere ata chitororo footprints kia ikigatiga rororo abana aba bagacha bakigotacha barabu footprints yabo nkigotigara bagatepa korio monene ngainchunga ayo tache otacha nkigotigara paka bakaamua kuborio mogaka bwenyombe ngaki kwani how strong, how big was this dog ya tachitega footprints kia ikigatigara lakini mtutu atembire gotacha njirwo karaki nkigotigara umugako yakabateinga a difference there in SSA yatachita ekere efarande yataroma lakini bono yomire bono ino na mutacha kene nkeyo because yakoreki yomire ntagete okwana na bayiboli na ki tiato tacho bongo buga bana aba ekere boroborere otaroma ekiara bokuoma na tobatebyo gotebyo mwana nga maruna mabe okobori ngaki bali bakonyu barabu bakule yarebe gakonyu atabu atikibeza kwa batenga gambling nembe okoteiso anso ta win tie bet akawin 1 million ni mabono motene ngwale because you are writing into the mind ekere babeire obongo buga komire botali ready to absorb. So let's go to the basics of parenting. Inga Musa agakana kama nyetenga ebinto biringi na mote whatever you tell the child when they are young that is what they hold to. Then number 2 as we keep on instructing the children create time intentional as a parent kwa bana ekiara to ikiras society where atoko minyo kichibesa toko minyo kia masomo ebinte binge paka ntobo at time choko bana especially the fathers abangina nkonyorore chinga kichinyinge bareka asengenjo paka ikikaro seri abana ndagera kwanyoro mugaka agosoko botuko mna leo nasoko botuka abana bana batarabuka ando ja kuira na saine ya botuko ekera abana bararire I said ya mungu wanera about fathers. I want to give the fathers the 5 P's of a man in any home. Number 1, the man is the procreator. Procreator nere is the giver of life. Nero could give identity. Bana bande bonse batamayetise, they suffer what we call identity crisis. And when they have that identity crisis, they are vulnerable to anything, to any form of influence. Number 2, the father is the provider. As a father, aspire as much as possible to be the provider. Adam nero bege to have a provider, Eve have a receiver. The day Eve provided, that was the fall of man. That was the cause of all the problems that we are having. And that to empower by his own grace to be the providers in our home. So that no mwana kerata getege ndata getenamo tajiwo keria senjireta wenereti. Number 3, the father is the protector. You are the source of protection in that home. Ekero mugakara asenka no eno muguto no eno robebe ndogo sukiwa asengenjo mugaka nakora teki naro. Number 4, a man is a prophet. Where do I get this one from? Genesis 49. Ekere Yakobo aroche ngogotire bono nganga ari gukwateti abana bae 12 nga inchumba tebya mangana go Jacoba so maboino asenge njonjengo korandiki kogendandi omugaka intentionally speak good things to your children. Rangeri omwana kwa matebya etoko bo mwana omubi ai no mwana omuya none kerago osire in that bitterness abange nanko babale no bugango bwokoragereria osibwo kwana mangana tawenereti ayo mugaka. That's why Mbabu at this gift of being a prophet. Because in Bali Bugango Gosalia. Lakini kyo mugaka kwano kendo so Genesis 49. Even to Beyonce Pijakoba kwanete asabana bae. They came to pass. Akabasese ni bonsi pi abanda akabaragereria babo Ruben. That's why the tribe of Ruben to the promised land, the land of Canaan. The tribe of Reuben was not there because he said, you will not amount to anything. Saying Jongo achete ketanda keiso okagetiringa. Iko Mogaka is a prophet in the home. Number 5, the man is the priest in the home. Take time go sabera bana bao. There is always a spiritual element in everything that we do. You can do everything right. Also made the psychology or the good books about parenting, you do everything right. But there is a spiritual connotation. There is an element that only God will do. And that is the spiritual element, and you are the priest of the home. Genesis 25:21 ekere Isakari ara ise tingo mogako mongino etariko biara igaro mugomba Rebeka konye banyuma nire babeire 20 years batabuga timwana Isaka akamu akomosabera ekera amosabera mongino yakabuga togurito. It's very possible for the 20 years baganyete Isakatare gosaba ebintombire totabuati asengenyo totali gosaba ebintombire totabuati in our home or totakora in our children because we have never taken time to pray for our children.
All right. Nuchinga na banga banda tukwati moroberi wensa kimambia yabono ndochinga Paul Simon at watching from heaven. Ever increasing grace, Pastor Dan Vas Osogo, Sospita Osiema at watching live. Proud of Ndizi TV. George Mugambi Ekegusine Kongu Pastor. You have tried. Nick Media Studio. I'm sharing. Amazing sharing from my teacher and mentor Catherine Kwamboka. The 5 P's mean a lot. God bless you, uncle. Na bange bende tukwati moroberi wensakia emambia yabono kulinda singichono chinga ebiruni ko bende kumnyoka kegima ngane tibono ochi kubwato kwa obosemi wao twakwa ni raba iboli obwato kwa obosemi oboke uchi ase ensemo elia yaboro kiwa balenka abanafunzi balenka nabo igo nabo kunira igoro ya KSF ngike moko mogokora na boigo mogani kobwatesigwa bose aba aborki wambare abose aborki baragani kobwatesia KSF bose kocha amona inwedi asenchiri emireme emya moganda tokora inke kabone tokora tuguchukora asentundi yabono mambia.
Asante. Obo semi asabana bali bantegerete. I normally say chakera the age of 0 to around 18, 19. That's the teenager, the peak of teenage stage. That's the period of laying the foundation of anybody's life. Kende gionsto korabuna bana. Tomanyenga, we are laying the foundation. And whatever that we become after that depends on the foundation that we laid. Onye kuaga chenyomba etalie korofa. Togo ikariro ikirerinto sio chenchie birangeli yote ngatiamente story yendigoro. Pako irane to the foundation. So if you lay a shaky foundation, that will determine how far you will go in life. In life means in your career, it will determine the kind of family you're going to have. It will determine even how long you're going to live in this earth. It will determine the quality of life that you're going to live. So let us live our lives consciously knowing that we are laying the foundation for our life tomorrow. Bibiliango somegon telling God allows us to live up to 70 years and after that he can give us a bonus. So if a child is 20 years and below, it means you have a bigger chunk of life to live ahead. No what some 50 years ahead. And these 50 years, unfortunately, depends on the first 20 years. So tigato menye miake ye metanga ni tore conscious inga nere go determine obogima to go jikomenya motu na ende tobe conscious inga obogima to whatever we are laying the foundation for is for myself, not for my father, not for my mother. After some time, go take na tore na Bible yaba to answer kora our own assholes to menyo obogima boito. So it still boils back to us. We are the people who bear the consequences of the decisions that we make. That is why we're involved in Kenya Students Christian Fellowship to always remind these children. We don't assume that they have been told. We also do our role, going around schools, telling them this is the right way. Follow it because we are aware nga abana mbale bataratebiwa kosentora aware nga batebiwe, but we need to remind them to emphasize on them so that they become important people in the society. KCF is not a denomination. Is an interdenominational body. And the only condition for you to work with us in KCF is that you love God, you're born again, you have a burden to evangelize to students. So we encourage all the professionals, especially the professionals, we insist because we not only empower these students spiritually, we also empower them academically, we inspire them to join various professions. In case you have people from all calibers, the pastors, like that. So when we go to these schools, we tell them, as much as we are preaching, we have also excelled, we are running our professions. Or you know Manyagitari, or you know Skari, or you know engineer, like that. So at times we go to schools, Kwanyora, some heads of institutions out there school when they are dini flani igabantu bakora ndi school weye nkolu edini yoka. KCF is the entire body, and we wish to work even with such schools so that anybody who is born again and loves Jesus Christ, we take this message to the young people to touch simiti yetara etaroma because ge kuoma intoligo chikonye kutwara influence on the same.
All right. Oliora gani koba bwate sibose koba ense moya ino nchira kieva arabega koba ikera.
Nagogo to ikera through our chairman. We have our chairman and our chairman is called Sospita Osiemo. He allowed me to give his number so that ekerora gani komo ikera nabo komo ikera. Our chairman Sospito Siemo agotoka Bosongo na ya chairman ya Kisi team. Enamba ya yegere 0723 350 309. 0723 350 309. That's the chairman ya Kisii team. Na ende ndwe namba ye chairman ya Gusii bono tenelete Gusii engima. Akoro kunga Geoffrey. Our chairman Geoffrey's number is 0729 837 542. Dini endeo sio korua besi dieve Catholic eve Deliverance eve PH Redeemed, all those we work with them.
All right.
You are welcome.
Ambia mono asoikira na ime studio mambia bono.
Asante.
Na ende nto kwalineti amatuko alego chibosio asengencho yoko sanga na boro kigwa na boyo kone kinga twabeire togo agacha ekiare kere go chiabosio. Mwancho Murindizi TV ni go twabe togo sanga nere Mr. Danvas Osogo oyore egati ababuata ni kurwa sekiombekeria ya Kenya Student Christian Fellowship oro sagia ruwa Kisii. Obere osanga na intu amange igoreshinja torabe togo kini abana baito na boigo kobarenda ensemo elia yoboiboli omoiboli ni gaotia kobero omoiboli ekero abeire gakoibero omwana embaka omwana oyu abere gakoro boiko bwenseye aseigo omwana owo nigo atikalete kobo omoiboli omwana owo ni gatikete kobo omwana owo goikera ambaka obere gakoro aso boiko bwenseye buseno ena kwa aso boiko bwenseye aseigo to aso boiko omwana obere monene otebenga na atigere bono emirimo nga omwana bono obere monene genda kuri ndo omwana owo mobo seme no nyunga ochire buo yenda ndi kwigure nga obere gagotereria irige tambukiro mwakire sime bose nabo kumutale lobe kone kinga kwa kumukini asigete tobe tukubwaterana egati ya Bible abarokia nabo igo abantu bonsi bare ase ensemo eritomenyete se community tona kinga to beto kinya ekiare kerebo seskondo Mwancho Murindizi TV nkomanyi wonga ni omogeni okabera bero kirana ime studio turach kwenda asomoti moko omoke kolende nigo omogeni oyo arachi koirana nere Frida Kerubo babago sanga nere asenchira ya bene litkolyali ngo twabagani kugamba igo nabo sanga igo rishinje tora tokini abana baito enchunda ya kabere nigo morati ko sanga nere Masaku Born Face oyo kirana ime studio nigo are omo secretary general asekiombekerige korunga Empowering Kenya Foundation nabo nigo are omo manager asekiombekerunga logistics nigare logistics manager asekiombekerige Jikubali Africa asigo no mosaike gima urachukwanira igoro ya mangana lengete amalito agenkyo nobo bebwa amalito agenkyo ase ensemo eliyobo chenu bwo mwana omunyaruka ngaki komo affecta sebirengerelyo ase ensemo eliyobo chenu bwa nabo nachukwanira igoro chinje torabutokini abasaye abana umura abange babere bakwebwa tokonera nga naralia mangana kiaya abakerenia omwana omumura amaega ase Mwancho Murindizi TV to basausuka asengenjo asikaketere tambe Frida Nkwiranare no mogeni icho Masaku Born Face abega usanga na intwe ase oboime igoro ya mangana kwena tore ase kagetari ege tambe.
Ndizi TV.